Hey there, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome to the premiere showing of our Patchwork Poetry Quilt-along showcase. You are in for such a treat tonight. For those of you who may not know, I created a Patchwork Poetry sew-along that is a spotlight on quilts that are inspired by the music and the artistry of Taylor Swift. I'm a total Swiftie. I can't help it. I love the happy music. I love the feelings, the deep artistry, and I have had such a blast on this quilt along. I cannot wait to show you all of the amazing quilts. So in this sew along, we had quilters from all over who came together, chatted, inspired each other, brought new ideas, new plans, new quilts, new thoughts and actions and all of that, and brought them together in this group to be inspired by Taylor Swift, her music, her artistry, her lyrics, everything Taylor Swift, and we created quilts together. This group was amazing. We supported each other. We talked fabric. We talked design. We talked problem solving. We talked layout of our quilts. We talked patterns. We talked quilting techniques. We talked anything and everything related to this sew along and then some. Each quilter has poured their heart into this as they have worked on their projects and made their quilts. Today we get to celebrate all of their hard work, all of those long hours spent on those quilts, all of those hours designing. We get to celebrate that and this glorious showcase of their stunning creations. But before we dive into those finished quilts, I want to show you a little bit of our progress along the way and give you a glimpse into the progress, the planning. Let's see, the planning came first, then the progress, then the sewing, then the working on the quilt, the problems that we had, the problems that we solved, all of that. I want to give you just a little glimpse into what we've been working on for the past 8 weeks. But trust me, you're going to be hooked from the very beginning because these ideas are just absolutely wild and so inspiring, and you're going to want to see those finished masterpieces. Wasn't that just incredible? It never ceases to amaze me, the absolute depth of talent that quilters have. It's so inspiring to see the whole process from like the beginning stages of the sketches and all of that into the picking out of the fabrics and watching these pieces come together before our eyes, right? You got to see it in this short little chunk of video. I got to watch it happen and progress over 8 weeks and watch these women really push themselves outside of their comfort zones and do some things that they hadn't done before. And sometimes they worked out, sometimes they didn't. But it was all about the journey as well as the finished pieces. And it has been an absolute joy to watch this whole process unfold. I hope that you enjoyed it just as much as I have enjoyed it. I want to give a huge shout out to the participants in this sew along. You are amazing. You are incredible. And I hope that you are so proud of yourself and all of the beautiful work that you did. If you didn't participate in this sew along, but you really enjoyed this video, make sure that you call out the people down below who were in this sew along and have participated, because they have done amazing work. Wouldn't you agree? They're just incredible. Thank you so much, my Patchwork Poets, for sharing your beautiful talents with me, for sharing all of your photos of your beautiful quilts and working on them with so much inspiration and energy. Your passion and creativity are truly inspiring. But just because our Patchwork Poetry Sew Along is over, it doesn't mean that the creativity and the journey has to end here tonight. I would love to extend a personal invitation for you to join the Stitch Sister Inner Circle, which is a private membership group where we do stuff like this all the time. We share in our works. We share the problems that we're having. It is having your own private little quilter network, your own private little group of quilting sisters to go to celebrate with you, to have those moments where you don't know what you're doing and you need somebody to ask. They're there for that too. It's a wonderful space to continue learning, to continue sharing, and to continue making close friendships with other quilters. You can find more details about the Stitch Sister Inner Circle in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, please hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel out and it helps me out. And it helps you stay updated for all of our future quilting conversations and quilting tutorial videos. Please keep stitching, stay inspired. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye.